After staying in Blanding, Utah, we traveled south on Route 191 and turned onto Route 275, taking us to Natural Bridges National Monument, a drive of about 40 miles. Natural Bridges is located in an area called Cedar Mesa, which is within Bears Ear National Monument. Arriving at Natural Bridges, we drove the 9-mile route to view all 3 bridges, Sipapu, Kachina, and Oakachoma. A map of our route is contained in the video. On previous visits, we hiked into the canyon and we share some close-up images of the bridges in the video from those visits. Finally, we share an image of Bears Ear taken from Natural Bridges.